Right, so we'll change the spark plugs. So pretty easy, just slide that across, pop it up, and then what you want to do is push this orange tang back a little like that, and then push down, and just slide the connector off a little bit. Two T40s holding the coil pack in. Just wiggle it and pull it. Should come out. Don't knock it or drop it. And these are your standard 16mm spark plugs, 16mm socket. Make sure the engine's cold. Lightly strip the threads. Right, so it probably doesn't make any difference to you, but the ones I've taken out are NGK plugs, and they are ZF-R5F. The ones I'm putting in are Bosch. So now these are, the gap is 0.9 for this car. I mean they come alright most of the time, but I'm old school. I like to check everything with feeler gauges, so they're all gapped properly, and they were 0.9 out of the box, so you know you're probably alright to throw them in, but like I say, I just like to check them. So we're going to put these ones in, and I see a lot of guys on YouTube when they do spark plugs telling you to put copper slip on these things. Just don't do it. I don't know why you don't need to do that stuff. Just put them in the way they are, and if you tighten them properly or torque them down, you'll never have any issues, and if you replace them when they're supposed to be replaced. I've not seen a snapped spark plug for over 20 years now. So these are torqued to 25 Newton meters, and make sure you torque them down. It's the best way to do it, and then you know it's right.
Sometimes you need to go and take a step back to see the truth.
Now torque them down 25 Newton meters.
From a distance you can tell. You and me were meant to be in the great outdoors forever.
Slide the coil pack back in. Make sure it's pushed firmly in.
Meant to be in the great outdoors forever free.
And you don't want to over tighten these bolts neither, because you don't want to risk cracking the coil pack, which will cause all sorts of running issues. So you snip them down hand tight, but if you want to be really fussy like me, then it's 8 Newton meters. And then slide the cover back on. And that's it. Nice and easy.